your dill pickle.
These are dill pickles, potato chips. They're nummy. Pickles. They're delicious.
Oh God. You're gonna have dogs all over you like shit on stink. Stink on shit. I'm dyslexic today. Have I mentioned this?
Hi everybody. I'm eating dill pickles, potato chips, and they're delicious.
Life is interesting.
You're gonna poop a dill pickle.
Remember the history on you back then? Pickles minis?
Pickles mayonnaise.
Yes.
No, there's a straight up pickle.
South Park?
How in the
The dude in
world?
the chair?
Oh,
Hi, Pickles.
Uncle Marvin.
Yeah, but I know, but why did he call you Pickles?
Because when I was over at his house, I'd eat nothing but pickles. Jars of pickles.
With mayonnaise.
Nuh-uh. Straight.
Really? He said with mayonnaise.
No, they'd have a platter laying out for Christmas. Remember
Oh
that?
yeah, yeah.
And the pickles would disappear. There'd be like 5 different things of pickles, and I'd eat the jars. Straight. I drink
They had
pickles.
some good shit, man. I remember the thing they had for Kelly's graduation.
Oh, that was good.
That was a good deal.
1804?
No.
No, wait, 18... When I had that hot one?
That hot mama pickle?
Mm-hmm.
You should buy one.
Oh, no.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no.
It's spicier than...
Oh, those things are bad.
Really?
Oh, yes. They hurt going down, and they hurt going out.
I believe it.
You get tired.
I did,
You
too.
think his back smells so bad.
This when I was having my surgery thing.
And I did the blue food coloring. And I just had my tooth pulled. So we were doing ice and sugar and blue food coloring. I made his extra dark.
Very dark.
His tongue was blue. I mean, it wasn't powder blue, but it was blue.
Yeah.
Who are you sending this to? Hi, everyone.
Your favorite channel.
YouTube? Uh-oh. A rating on it? Delicious.
Delicious, pretty girl. I don't have delicious. He's got the delicious.
I feel mouthing. And I like to be mouthed.
She liked it.
I got a ham in the oven.
Taste it, boo-boo.
Then we'll get.
Okay, we have a dog that likes pickles.
Oh, I eat it. You will have that.
She likes good pickles. Don't think he likes it. Baby girl, leave it. You just fed them pickles. Okay, we got 2 dogs who like dill pickle chips. Look at this.
Well, they're happy.
They just had a snack. It's a delicious. Thumbs it up. Did you just eat a dill pickle?
Did Beth eat a dill pickle?
Dill pickle snack? Dill pickle snack. Dill pickle snack? Dill pickle snack.
Tasty food. Tasty food. Yeah.
No. Is that delicious? Delicious.
Also, she runs away with the bag. I would laugh.
They good?
Very.
Look at that. That's dill pickle. I know what that dill pickle looks like.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, goodbye. Then you should try the dill pickle Peringos.
Hmm?
You should try the dill pickle Peringos.
Oh, yeah?